Please go out. Out now.
We have been vindicated, and for us this judgment is victory for democracy and victory for the rule of law. All we came to court to do was to insist that the law is followed in the administration of our political parties. Those who manage our political parties will stick to the rule of law and abide by the constitution of our various political parties. This judgment has clearly vindicated us, and the judge have ruled impunity has no place in democracy. Impunity has no place in internal affairs, the management of our political parties. And we give all glory to God. We are not against convention, like the court have ordered. All steps, condition precedent to a valid convention has been ordered. And as a political party, we will go back and ensure that all the things that were not done correctly before, they are done.
I just want to say that there is no act that is stronger than the rule of law. And no amount of advocacy that can withstand a legal fact. We went to court to stop impunity in our party. The problem we have is arbitrariness in our party. We are not against convention. We are true party men. I went to National Assembly on the platform of PDP. So I must defend the PDP ethics and all that it takes. But some elements in the party feel that they can pocket the party. Enough of this governors forum. Enough of this governors forum. They are tearing this party apart. They should allow the people elected by the party members to run the party. I don't see where a governor will assume the role of a party chairman, issue notices, issue meeting notices, and do all manner of things because they are governors.
Your reaction of the judgment just delivered.
We just had the judgment, and as a law-abiding citizens, we have noted it. Not that it has gone down well with us. Definitely, this is not what we expect. We will appeal it, let it be on the record, and that three people cannot subvert democracy. I want to say this emphatically, that this judgment today is a panacea to annihilating democracy in this country, because you cannot stop a whole political party from exercising its legal right. We have authorities whereby we have, it's supposed to be an internal affairs of the party. Just because one or two saboteurs are out to destroy this party, God will not let them be.
Who are those saboteurs?
You know them. You know them, I don't have to say it.
Well, as my chairman has said, we came because we respect the rule of law. We respect our legal system in Nigeria, but we are really very disappointed because the judgment is argumentative. You know, they were just trying to justify the unjustifiable, and of course, praising or celebrating impunity, and of course, interference in the internal affairs of parties, and even placing saboteurs within the rim of political party. You can just imagine an officer of the party coming to give bad witness against the party, and that person is celebrated as having been. If you are a member of the party, you are supposed to work with the party, with the position of the party. The chairman has said, we are not discouraged, we are fighters. We are going to fight this injustice.
It's time, Heidi, let's move. Watch out. We have other matters. Sorry? This is a matter for sure. Please go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Please go out. This the back, yes. Please. Go ahead.